The next strategy is really fun. I love this stuff. Anyone doing Pandora yet? Nope. Anyone know anything about Pandora radio ads?
No. There's a lot of them. Yeah.
Yeah. So here's what's really cool about Pandora, and it's worked out well. Pandora, when you run Pandora, you can do it with a budget as little as, $1,500 a month, $2,000 a month based on your market area. You can actually narrow it down to specific zip codes. You don't have to just run it to a county. You can target one zip code or 2 zip codes. So to give you an idea, we target 4 zip codes. We spend right around $4,000 a month, but our frequency is now almost 6. And usually you want a 3 to 4 frequency. If you can get to 5 frequency a week per listener is great. We're closer to 6 now. So we're not running this to a bunch of cities. We're highly concentrating this in 2 cities. And those listeners are going to hear us 6 times per week. Plus you have the display ad that goes with it. Not just the audio, but the display. Audio is 30 seconds.
Hi, I'm Blake Corey with the Blake Corey Home Team. I've got a system called the Worry-Free Listing. It offers flexible commissions. You can even sell your home while listed and pay nothing. And if you're not happy, fire me. In fact, my team and I sell more homes in a month than the average agent sells in over 7 years. I'm not trying to brag. I'm applying for a job. I want to be your realtor. For a free home evaluation, call me today, Blake Corey, eXp Realty, at 951-292-0000. That's 951-292-0000. And start packing.
So if you guys want, you can Slack me. You can ask for the contact information of the rep at Pandora. I can easily give that to you. And you can just say, here's my budget. And they'll take your budget over 10 to 12 months and they'll run these radio ads. This is the new way of radio. You have the old way of radio, but the barrier of entry was really, really high. Unless you were going to go spend $15,000 to $25,000 a month in radio, you weren't playing in that game. And then you had to find the right channel. Then you had to find the right announcer. Now you're doing your own commercials. You spend as much money or as little money as you want to spend, and you can get it to the right people. So this goes out to registered. They have data lists, by the way. People who are confirmed homeowners, the ages of 34 to 50, which is my target market, right? And in my 2 cities. Now it's crafted. It's right there. It's in front of the people that I want to have this in front of. So that's an old one. By the way, there's a process to writing these ads. 30 seconds, that's all you get. 30-second ad, and you got to repeat your phone number twice. So that's why you hear me having to leave stuff out, because I can't talk that fast. I can talk fast, I can't talk that fast. So that's one we've been doing for a little bit. Let me have you listen to this one.
Finally, a program designed for the home seller and not the realtor. Flexible commissions, cancel anytime. Hi, I'm Blake Corey with the Blake Corey Home Team. With my worry-free listing, you can even sell your house while listed and pay nothing. And if you're not happy, fire me. In fact, my team and I sell more homes in a month than the average agent sells in over 7 years. I'm not bragging, I'm applying for a job. Let my team and I help you sell your home. For a free home evaluation, call me, Blake Corey, eXp Realty, at 951-292-0000. That's 951-292-0000, and start packing.
So here's the ad. Question to get the consumer to say yes. First, that headline is a question. They say yes. 2 to 3 bullet points of your worry-free listing. And then you have to go make a CTA, or call to action, and offer at the end. And repeat your phone number twice. These scripts I got a while back. I've used a couple different ones. Some work better than others. We'll go through the last one.
Selling your home and want the most amount of money in the shortest amount of time with the fewest hassles? I can help. I'm Blake Corey of the Blake Corey Home Team, and I want to be your realtor. Fact, my team and I sell more homes in a month than the average agent sells in over 7 years. My worry-free listing system offers flexible commissions. You can even sell it yourself while listed and pay nothing. And if you're not happy, fire me. You're in full control. Don't forget to ask about our instant cash offer as well. For a free home evaluation, call me today, Blake Corey, eXp Realty, at 951-292-0000. That's 951-292-0000, and start packing.
Okay, that's what I want to go over with you guys.